Introducing the carbonated water preparation kit. First, attach the regulator. Ring the gas seal. Remove the cover attached to the cylinder. Tighten with a tool. You need a monkey wrench that opens more than 30 millimeters. Attach a pressure hose. Because it is a part related to safety, carefully. Tighten tightly. Next, I make a lid. Open the holes in order from the smaller holes. Remove the burrs. Attach the air coupler. I removed the ring because the lid was thick. Fix with stainless M5 nut. As it is completed, make carbonated water. Open the main valve of the cylinder. Primary pressure has risen. Adjust secondary pressure. The primary pressure is the remaining amount of the cylinder, and the secondary pressure is the strength of carbonation that you want to make. This time I set it to 3 bars. It is pre-chilled water. Stop the BGM. With the lid loosened, the gas is released and the air inside is released. It may not be necessarily because it does not change so much without doing this. Tighten the lid tightly. Open the valve and inject carbon dioxide gas. There is already a lot of carbon dioxide gas in it. Repeat gas injection and shake. Once you get used to it, open the valve and shake it earnestly. It's very hard. Open the lid as it is completed. It is difficult to understand. In fact, it was quite strong carbonated when drinking.